Alright, what's up guys? It's Evan from How To's by Bros, and today we're going to be making another paper ninja star tutorial. Alright, so first off you're going to need 2 pieces of paper, just regular ones, and then you're going to need some scissors, okay? So first off, take a piece of paper and fold a corner to any side. So I'm just going to take the right corner and fold it over to the left side. Make sure that you get like the nice corner and make sure it's like everything is lined up. There you go. Make sure your creases are good. You can use your thumb for good creases. And then now you're just gonna cut off the excess part. So where this line is, just take off this extra part. Alright, now open both of them. And so, okay, you guys see this line right here? You want to set it up where the papers are like this. So it's like a V kind of, okay? So next you're going to fold this in half. So once you fold it in half, open it back up, and then fold this to the middle crease that we just made. So fold that down right here and line it up. Then do the same with the other side. Meet in the middle. And then once you do that, just fold it over like that. And then do the same with the other piece of paper. Alright, so once you have these 2 pieces, to actually make the ninja star, you have to make sure that the creases line up. So you see this crease right here and this crease, they have to be facing like exactly how they are. So this way and this way, okay? And then now you're gonna take it and fold it in half. Open it back up, and then you're going to fold it and make it line up with the middle crease that you just made. And you're going to take the other side and fold it over like this. Do the same with the other side, fold it in half. Fold into the middle crease that you just made. Do it with the other side. Alright, so once you have these 2 pieces, make sure that you line them up just like I have them right now. So you'll see how it makes like this kind of like Y shape or whatever. Just make sure it's like this, okay? And then what you're gonna do is take the corner of this piece and fold it over like that. Do the same with this side. Just like that. Yeah, I didn't cut this the best, so make sure that when you're cutting it in the beginning that you get it like perfect, okay? Because I have a little bit of like, I don't know what that is, but make sure you cut it right, okay? And then do the same with the other piece. And then you're gonna take them and fold them in like this. Okay, take the other side, fold it in. You can open it back up, fold the other side in just like that. Alright, so once you have this, you're just gonna take one piece and then put it on top of the other, just like that. And then basically you're just gonna shove each corner into a slot. So to see this one right here, you're gonna take one of the corners and put it into it just like that. Okay? And then see this other one right here? So you're gonna take this corner and shove it into this slot right here. Okay? So fold it in and push it through. And so once you have this side, you're good. Now you just need to flip it over and do the same. Take this slot right here. Let's do this one first. All right, so take this slot right here, shove it in. And then the last one, see that right there? And just put it in. And there you go. This is not the best one, but yeah, that's how to make a paper ninja star. Thanks for watching.
Thank you so much for watching that video on how to make a paper ninja star easy. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you click the link above to check out my channel. I'm not really active on this channel anymore, so for my new channel, click the link above. It's about abundant life, living life with purpose, meaning, and fulfillment. God bless.